we assume to continue the rescue of West Indies cricket. The West Indies board is looking to secure some kind of partnership with their American counterparts with a view of investing in the US Major Cricket League. This is not India or Australia or England we're talking about. This is the United States of America. And we are talking about cricket, not basketball or baseball or ice hockey or NFL. And look, we do understand that interest in the game of cricket in the USA is steadily growing, and that the USA is potentially a big market and Ray and Tay. But good God, this is West Indies cricket we are talking about. How will this partnership benefit West Indies cricket? What standard of cricket is being played in the USA? I mean, we soon hear that we're going to be sending some West Indies players and some coaches to the USA for refresher courses in cricket. You know what? Me done. Me surrender. I surrender. Me surrender for West Indies cricket. Me can't take it no more. Me surrender.